The LG V20 here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 12 Pro with wireless. So the iPhone 12 Pro is now with wireless. It's available in 128 gigabytes of storage for $999.99, and it is currently out of stock right now as of this video recording. Hopefully when this video is live on YouTube, the iPhone 12 Pro will be back on stock. Will be back in stock. So yeah. So there's the iPhone 12 available and iPhone yeah. So this is the iPhone 12 looks like. The iPhone 12 Pro that is. I do like the wallpaper, that's pretty nice. I don't know if this is a stock wallpaper or what, but it does look very nice here. So you guys have your notch tag for your front facing camera, earpiece, power button will be on the right side of the phone, and then your RAM case will be on the outside of the phone, along with your alert switch on the left side as well. And then on the back of the iPhone 12 Pro, you guys will have 3 cameras, camera flash, Apple logo, and whatnot. And what's in the box is your iPhone 12 Pro and your lightning cable, and that is it. No charging or nothing like that. So you do keep that in mind. So it says here 5G to download huge files on the go and stream HDR video. Beautifully bright 6.1 super retina XDR display. Ceramic shield with 4 times better performance. Incredible low light photography with a new camera system and 4 times optical zoom range. Similar grade Dolby Vision video recording, editing, and playback. Nightmare portraits and mix of AR experiences with the Blender scanner, powerful A14 chip, and new MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging for infinitely spectacular possibilities. So the iPhone 12 Pro has a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display that is an OLED panel, so pretty nice. Ceramic shield, tougher than any smartphone glass. 5G for super fast downloads and high quality streaming. A14 chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Apple says that every year. Pro camera system with 12 megapixels ultra wide and telephoto cameras, 4 times optical zoom range, night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR 3, Apple Pro Raw 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. Also has a Blender scanner for improved AR experiences, night mode portraits. Also has a 12 megapixel true depth front camera with night mode and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording as well. Industry leading IP68 water resistance, so that's nice. So that is a standard now. It also has MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging as well. Also has iOS 14 with redesigned widgets on the home screen, all new Apple library app clips and more. As part of Apple's efforts to reach the environmental goals, iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro do not include a power adapter or earpods. Please use your existing power adapter or headphones, or purchase these accessories separately. Yeah. Faster for 5G speed, A14 Bionic, the fastest chip in the smartphone, a pro camera system that takes low light photography to the next level with an even bigger jump on iPhone 12 Pro Max. Jesus Christ. and design points right to the edge. The Super Retina XDR display goes edge to edge with ceramic silver size 4 times better drop performance. Hello 5G. Super fast, super low latency, so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, more responsive and real-time activity. So that's nice. The chip that pushes what's possible. Introducing the first 5nm chip in the industry, which means more speed, more power, and more efficiency. Render technology AR at the speed of light. LiDAR creates an accurate depth maps in nanoseconds, so objects are placed instantly and more accurately in AR experiences. A new day for night mode. Night mode goes wide and ultra wide, and it's even better at capturing natural color and dim light. The new wide camera captures 27% more light, 60 times more colors. Wow. 10-bit HDR recording makes video more lifelike. You can easily edit, watch, and share double vision videos too. First camera ever to record in double vision. AirPlay lets you stream 4K double vision video to your Apple TV or Smart TV. There's no phone like the iPhone. Easy to use, simple, and intuitive. So it's easy to get around with just a tap or swipe. Smart performance. Apple designs it for speed, power, efficiency, and intelligent in everything you do. Durable and retains value. iPhone is built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones. That's very true. Protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure. So you compare the different iPhones here. So they have 4 iPhones this year, which I thought they had 3 iPhones this year. They actually have 4, but you can compare the iPhones here. They all have 5G this year, so that's nice. That's pretty nice. So MagSafe accessory, snap on a magnetic case, wallet, or both. A new ecosystem of accessories for effortless attachment and faster wireless charging with endless ways to combine. There is a mix to match any style. Apple Care Plus. So if you guys get an iPhone, get insurance for it because they will save you in the long run. Expert support, extended coverage, Apple certified service, 24/7 priority access to support, repair and replacement coverage. So that's nice. Apple Music, lose yourself in 70 million songs. Stream 70 million songs ad free, download your favorite tracks and play them offline. So pretty nice. And there is a review on this iPhone so far. Let's see what that person says. Yes. There is one 5-star rating there. And it's not showing up. It's not showing up, but whatever. But someone did rate this a 5-star. So yeah. So, do you guys have the iPhone 12 Pro? It's not her quicker wireless for $999.99. It's only available in 128 gigabytes of storage currently, and it's currently out of stock. So, hopefully, when this video goes live on YouTube, hopefully the iPhone 12 Pro will be in stock. So, stay tuned for that. So, yeah, do you guys have the iPhone 12 Pro? It's not her quicker wireless. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.